you for reaching FTC4 production. My people, thank you. Thank you for providing support as usual. And hey, I couldn't expect any less. Um, I just wanted to offer you the best support that I can and everything I find out there, and the best for everything for free. Today, let's go straight to the point. I want to actually share with all of you that there is a way that you can actually take advantage of Microsoft if you are a student, current student, about Office 365 education. 365 education, students and educators at eligible institution can sign up for Office 365 education for free, including Word, Excel, PowerPoint, OneNote, and now Microsoft Teams, plus additional classroom tools. The only thing that you need to do is to use your email address from your school, okay? From your school, and um, follow the process that they're gonna send you through email. So this is a great deal. Who a student doesn't need to use Microsoft Office in here? Everybody needs this. I mean, I don't know if this only applies to United States citizens, um, but that's what we're gonna check in here. No eligible section. Well, this is in case there. I mean, you actually gotta give it a try, but this is depending on the school that qualify for it. But this is what you end up paying if you are not eligible for it. $69 a year, which is not that much, and $99 a year. But this is the money that you can actually use for something else. But I mean, it's just look at it. $149, $150. Office, home, and student for 2021. One-time purchase, right here. And but if you're currently going to the school and you have a particular school that qualify for it and everything, um, the only thing you gotta do is just put your email address and get started from there, and they'll follow up on your end. So I think it's a really good way to make things. Um, it's a good opportunity. I actually saw it. I know people that are paying for it, unfortunately, that they are going to school and they didn't know. So I started to check around, and I came across with this, and I was like, you know what? I gotta actually share this with my peeps, and some of them already applied for it, and they got it. Of course, you have to be in one of those recognized 4-year university, which in some of them I think they provide you this already for free. You can use it in their own system, in their own web page. But you want to download it in your computer, you want to have it in your own system, your computer. I mean, you may be a student, but there could be other people in your household who might actually need to make do a work, to might need to make um, a resume. I mean, you probably might not be living by yourself, and they might actually need from this particular service that you in the house as a student are having for free. So you cannot think as solely only for yourself. You got to think about for your peers at home. So this is why I actually saying, like, some of you might say, "Oh, I have it at school," but I mean, what about at home? I mean, on the main computer at home, and I mean, the desktop that everybody uses, including yourself, you can download it in there, and some other people actually can take advantage of that as well. But you have to understand that this is only provided for the student, not for everybody else. Everybody else that want to use it in their own computer, they have to um, pay their services. And I'm pretty sure that Microsoft actually knows everything about MAC addresses, so they're gonna recognize that you are using it for other people. So try to bring some integrity in here, guys. Don't try to jump the rope. Don't try to jump the wall, make a hole underneath to go by through it. Don't try to, you know, play sneaky or smart in here, because there are regulations on this and you might get in trouble. So don't trick the system, okay? Um, Let me see here. Learn how to buy for schools. Well, this is something pretty much that we're not here for, but Office 361A1 free one-time purchase. This is for the school. Yeah, some school actually will have it. For for students, it's free. You get all these services. This is what you get. Free Office 365 for the web with popular apps like Outlook, Word, PowerPoint, Excel, and OneNote, so teacher and student can work together, communicate seamlessly, and create amazing content. You have all this in here. PowerPoint is really important. Word, let's not even no mention it about it. Many people still use that Excel a lot in company as well. It's a really good skill to learn. OneNote, my sister used that a lot. And Outlook, you can customize your own email, stuff like that, at your own computer. It's really good. These services, this many people actually still use it. So it's a good thing that you actually take advantage of things like this. Um, Improve classroom and school collaboration with free productivity tools. You will need to verify that you are an accredited academic institution to take advantage of these offers. Okay? It's not gonna be as easy. Okay? As just put in an email. There's gonna be a procedure. Okay? So, student and teacher sign up for yourself. Okay, take you back in here. There's some things in here. Oh, there's more about here. Powerful tool for students and educators. Office 365 works like you everywhere. Familiar applications and always accessible files. Updates in real time to make building your curriculum seamless and easy as on Android, iOS, or Windows devices. Remote learning, one place for organization, access anytime, anywhere from any device, simplify class management, tools to save time and money. I totally agree with this. I actually just think, I know some people that they don't use Microsoft, they use some other system, but I just don't want to narrow myself in here, because they're like some friend of mine actually said, there are different ways to get to Rome. Okay, but I just personally, me speaking, I grew up using Microsoft. I cannot imagine myself not using this service to get myself out there, to do PowerPoint presentations, do working out Word. I don't get it. Some people actually live without it, and it's tough. It's tough because I've been there. I remember one of my computer, the Microsoft service actually was free for 1 year, I remember, and I actually lost it because for me to renovate it, you gotta pay. It's really expensive in many ways. Depends on what you wanna use. It's really expensive, and you have to be careful because if you don't have the money, you gotta figure it out ways to get yourself out there. Otherwise, you are off the grid, my friends. Off the grid. So these are the services they have, but this is some stuff that I'm gonna leave for you to check over. As usual, I'm gonna put the URL down below in the video description so you can come in here and read all this on your own and start it from there. Me personally, I'm just gonna leave it up to this point. I just wanted to bring this to you, to your doorstep. Some of you don't know this, believe it or not. I'm pretty sure that many of you are gonna see this video. You're gonna be, I knew about this. Many people don't know this. Many people actually have to go to certain centers to use this type of services because they don't have it to download on the computer. They don't know. And believe it or not, it's out there. Many people don't know. There are certain schools that don't have it, and if they do, they're paying for it, and some of the students cannot have access unless they pay for it. So it happens. So I just wanted to bring it up, just in case, for those few souls that are taking one or two classes and they are struggling with this. I just bringing it to you guys and girls. You have it, and it's for free for students. Just get started and see if your school qualify for it, which I'm pretty sure most of them do. Good luck. I wish you the best. As usual, I'm just trying to bring back to my community and my people around, help out one way or another, because I know we're living in difficult times, and bringing things to you for free is the best thing that everybody would love to have, and it's a smart way. And why not? You cannot say no to free. Come on, really? Of course, as long as there are things that are not gonna hurt you, which this channel is all about that. Please don't hesitate to subscribe and provide support to this channel. It's growing, and I see the changes, and I just, my goal is to get monetized so I can bring better quality, because I know the audio is not the greatest. And I'm still working on my speech therapy. I mean, my speech, giving out message, stuff like that. So I'm sorry if you actually have some difficulties in the listening or anything that I said. Just please don't hesitate to write it down below. I'm open for everything. I don't discriminate or restrict any message, whether it's negative or not. I take it because I'm not realistic, and I know what I have in here right now. But I know that practice makes the master, and I'm gonna make it better one day at a time. Until the next video, my peeps, I hope that this works out for you. Tell me how do you do, if it worked out, and if it works, please don't hesitate to put it down below, because in that way I'll be able to tell that it's working, what I'm doing for all of you, and I'm gonna continue doing it voluntarily. Microsoft does not pay me or sponsor me for this. This is voluntarily. You can check it over. I don't do this for a living. This is voluntary. I want to give back to the community. When I grow the audience and this channel and get myself monetized. Good luck until the next time. Thank you.